How to create a Wikipedia account in 2025. First of all, open your preferred browser on your phone and go to wikipedia.org. In the browser or app, select your preferred language like English. Tap on the menu icon or three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Select Login from the menu option. Scroll down and tap on Join Wikipedia. Type a unique username that you would like to use. Avoid using your full real name for privacy reasons. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Enter your email for account recovery and notification. This is highly recommended but not mandatory. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the CAPTCHA verification. Check the box to agree to Wikipedia's term of use and privacy policy. After filling out the form, tap Create your account. If the information is valid, your account will be created immediately. You can also fill a few optional questions if you want. And once you are done, tap on the Finish option. And with this, your registration process has been partially completed. But complete the registration process. Click on the Confirm next to your email and now check your email for a verification message from Wikipedia and follow the instruction in the email. Now select to confirm the email from your mail address, and with this your email has been confirmed and your registration has been completed. And finally, your Wikipedia account has been also created. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.